Hello, good morning. Ria here from Maisie jumping on this morning to show you how to put together the new card, playing card cover, and it's super easy. It's held together by snaps. You are going to need 4 on each side, but it's the perfect way to gift a pack of cards, store a pack of cards. So let's get started. What you will need is the template. And it's cut out of one piece or one template, so you probably don't want directional print unless you're going to have it backwards on the back. It's up to you though. And you'll also need some snaps. Now I'm using cam snaps, and I'm going to just use the hand tool, so I will quickly put those snaps on and show you how easy it is to put together. One thing I wanted to say was these cards, these playing cards, are a standard size. They tend to all come as 2.5 by 3.5 inches. If for any reason your cards are bigger or smaller, you can resize using, there is like a card pack template in with the files. So what you would do is you'd make that card pack size the same as what you have, whether it's a larger or smaller, and making sure you're resizing the template at the same time, and it should fit. But most cards come in a standard size. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so what you want to do is fold all your pieces over. You can see you've got 2 side flaps here and a bottom flap. I like to start with the top hole, and you're going to be coming through this. I prefer it with the sides and that bottom flap finish. You may prefer to have it the other way, it's up to you. You also may need long prong snaps if you're finding that your faux leather is quite thick. Mine isn't too bad, so we're going to bring that, go up. So we're going to, and you simply just want to attach your snaps. Okay, so on to the next ones. We'll come through the hole. There we go. Okay, so you've got all 4 on. I'm going to go back over them all, give them another squeeze on another angle, just to make sure that they're all nice and tight. Okay, so you can see fits perfectly. You just have to do these 4. All your snaps are on. Now this is quite a thin faux leather, this one. It's not the thickest. You could get thicker, but once it's actually around your cards, it sits quite nicely. So it protects your cards, and it's a great way to gift it. That's pretty much it. Okie dokie. So I hope, if you have any questions, let me know. But as I say, this is a nice quick, it's a quick design.